Same teams. Me and shadowknoledge will go Ghost. Y'all go Federation. Oh, we're playing Blitz. I meant to play Search. My bad. Next game we're playing Search. So. Alright, Ghost. Oh man, it's still got the long countdown, so.
What the heck? Why do you have the long countdown?
Because it's MLG rules. I know, I just said they got the long countdowns, but we'll be alright.
Blitz.
Zach and some other people.
Going against
It's
them?
not that long, really.
Going against them?
Alright, Zach, I'm gonna play the middle and like watch them. You know that alley that everyone runs through? Not the middle one, with the one on the right. I will. But I'm gonna sit there while you keep rushing it, and I'll try to stop them when they try to rush ours. They're probably gonna score a couple times though. I got my Remington out. So just, you can keep pushing, get a sub out. The Golden Child's pretty good. I don't know, Halo Hunter, when we played with him on regular, he was
Score by reaching the enemy portal.
pubs. Hold on, we don't need to do it right now. We'll do it when we're in the middle of the second round. Probably rush the middle. Watch middle, Zach. They're probably going right. Yeah, I bet they're gonna go right and try to just push ours up there. He got me. He stopped. Catwalk. He scored right here. But push it now. Because one's dead. No, I thought we were too, but I forgot to switch it. Let's go, Zach. Come on. Spawn and push.
Can't you only have some guns in MLG rules?
Yeah.
That's stupid.
No, there's a lot of guns. It's just the marksman rifles that you can't really have. And
And a lot of perks.
Not really. None of the good perks.
I mean, a lot of the score streaks. Yeah.
You just don't use those. Zach, I want to push. I want to push.
Hostile infiltrated. Defend our position.
Zach, I need you to sit on it. I'm going to pull out a sub. Is this guy there decent? We start a clan or something with once they just got the Golden Child's good. Oh my god. Yeah, he almost got me, but I got that turn on him. It was bad. See, I like the respawn thing on here. So when we say, if I say 2 dead, rush straight forward, because they gotta wait like 5 seconds, you know what I mean? You get him? Good job, Zach. Got it. If you kill one, just say 1 dead, and then I'll go. Top catwalk, top catwalk. Dude, long range. I was trying to use the entire long range. He's using the freaking chainsaw. Oh my god.
Changing back.
Got him. Got him. Get turned on. Good job, Zach. Let's keep it up.
Hostile made it through.
Don't worry.
Hostile infiltrated. Defend our position.
Alright, I'm gonna go sit on it. They're probably just right here waiting.
Hostile made it through.
He was right there, I wasn't ready. God
Enemy
dang it.
team scored. We've lost the lead.
Zach, push! I was just saying, push. This is my game, I'm gone. Yeah, go, 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 I'm gonna push. They're about to score too.
We're in the lead.
I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming.
Hostile infiltrated. Defend our position.
One of them's running the knife. He's just trying to score, so. I heard God's pick. Is that you? I'm gonna push it. So stay back, stay back, stay back. I'll tell you if I die. Or I see one pushing. He's pushing middle. He's coming to you middle. He's coming from... I'm dead. He's pushing middle. Go back, go back. Turn right. Through the there. Yeah. He's gonna come that way. Alright, I'm here with you. Can you hear me when I'm dead? Alright. I'm gonna push again. Stay on it. You got him? Alright, so they're both dead now, but they're about to spawn, so. If I say push the middle, that means that. Two dead, two dead, two dead. I'm going.
Time's almost up.
Yeah, I'm here. What class are you running? Did you die? Alright, I'm gonna stay here. Just keep it. One dead, one dead, one dead. Good job. I'm one shot, dude. Alright, I'm good. I healed. This is the game. No, it's real. Good job, dudes. Not better than most people we play.
Halftime.
Yeah, no, you can run knife if you want to. I wouldn't advise it. Like run a MTAR or something.
Scored by reaching the enemy portal.
All right, we know what we're doing now. We know where the goal is and stuff. So I'm gonna push bottom because they don't see. They're probably gonna be rushing through here, and I can take them out. And they're probably pushing it like real fast.
We're in the lead. Hostile made it through.
You might be there when they rush it. They could both be there.
Hostile infiltrated. Defend our position.
Hey, you didn't see him! Alright, I'll stay here. Push it. Good job. I'm watching ours. Keep them busy. Zach, I got one back medium room. Right where you come out when we spawn. We need to figure out these callouts. I need help, dude. Got him. See that building all the way at the end of this thing, we'll call it tech room. All the way at the end of this on the left, we'll call it tech room because it's got a bunch of like gadgets and stuff in it. And then one on the middle we'll call steamer. And then this back here we'll call it I don't know, crate. It's got some crates. Good job, that keeper. They're trying to push and get some points. I think he's coming middle. He's coming middle. They're gonna try to flank me or something. I don't see him. Good job, Zach. Come on. Keep it up. I'm not sure where he is. They're still here. No, I should have did they race? Oh, he almost got me, dude. Oh, I was one shot. Where is Yes, boy, let's go. I need to check my back, dude. He's running the comet knife. That's why he's not getting kills. They're scared, but they need to score anyway, so just keep pushing it. I got naked. I'm one shot. Watch out. Got him. Here, just sit. We don't need to keep pushing yet. Here, stay in that middle. Alright? Don't push. There's no need to push. We're 15-9. Just need to make sure they don't score. He's coming back, medium, tech room. He's in the, oh, naded him. He's in double nades right. Check tech room, I saw someone run that way. They're down there, here, I'll push, stay back. Zach, stay back. Go to trade where I spawn is. He drop shot me, get him. He's back at tech. Oh, spawn. I can't get to it, they're gonna spawn.
Hostile infiltrated.
Someone shot me from the back. There's no way you can shoot me. I don't know. Someone shot me from the back. Stay here, alright? I'm
Keep
gonna
fighting.
push
Let's
over.
win this one.
I'm gonna rack some kills. They haven't broke Ticker glass. I wonder if that guy's just sitting on it. No, they're both rushing because he's running a knife class, so he just tried to knife me at the very end. I heard a knife go. Alright, push. I'll take it.
Time's almost up.
He's in the spawn. Crates. The crates drop us out our spawn, so when they're at crates, when they're playing search and destroy, you know where it is. Got him. So crates is right here, and then the little room we call Steven's room for no good reason. Yeah, he's in steamer. Good job, guys.